Hey everyone, Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I have a quick Divi pro tip for you. I'm going to show you how to turn off that super annoying new WordPress thing where when you go to make a page or a blog post, it goes full screen and it hides the menu and the WordPress menu and all of that. It goes full screen. That is so annoying to me. And if you agree with me and you're tired of literally going in every post or every page that you make and being frustrated by it, then I'm going to give you a little code snippet to turn that off permanently. All right, let's get started. All right, so this is going to be a quick one. If you're watching this on YouTube, you know the drill. Just go down to the description and click on the link to the blog post, because over on the blog post is where we have this code snippet. And this is going to turn off that annoying thing that we're talking about here. So I'll just show you this. So if I go to this site here, and let's just say, oh, in fact, I need to start by going to Divi theme options, because it only does this if you have a certain setting turned on. So I'm going to show you that. So in the builder here, builder tab, theme options, builder tab, and then advanced tab underneath that. This enable classic editor, if you were using that, then you don't have to worry about it as far as I know. I don't think you have to, because that's like the old editor. Okay, so that's, but if you have this off, then I'll show you what the annoyance is and then the problem, or yeah, the way to fix it real quick here. So if I go to a post and I add a new blog post, there it is. Just look at this annoying thing. I mean, I don't know what WordPress is doing. I mean, I love WordPress, but like seriously? They took away the menu here. They took away the top bar here. I can't even navigate. And if I click this, well, what does this do? View posts? That's my option, to view posts. I don't understand this at all. And I realize they have the settings. So up here, you click these three little dots. Right here, work without distraction. That's full screen mode. So this is what we're turning off. Now we could turn that off. Wonderful. But I make a lot of blog posts, like at least twice a week, and that gets really annoying. And I have all my other sites, and when I'm building sites for clients or whatever, that's on for every page I go to. That is on all the time. So our code snippet is going to just turn that off, and that way it's always off. We always come to a page that looks just like this. Okay, so let's go to appearance and then theme editor. And by the way, you need to have a child theme. So if you don't have a child theme yet, you should, and you can always grab ours. I have a link over on the tutorial. You can grab our free one there if you need one. So when the child theme is installed, you'll come here to appearance and you can select it from this menu here. It'll be a list of all your themes that are installed, okay? So then when you're selected, go to functions.php, and this will need to be in a child theme. Otherwise, if you're in the main Divi theme, it would just go away when it updates. But we're going to go down to the bottom of any code that you have in there. I happen to have some other code here for custom post types and all that from the other tutorials. So anyway, I'm going to just copy this snippet right now and then go over here, paste it into my functions.php of my child theme and update the file. All right, so now I'm going to test this out. I'm going to add a new page this time. And what can we say but praise the Lord? It's not there anymore. Now we could turn it on again. Actually, I never tried it. Can I turn it on? Yeah, you can turn it on. Why would you want to? So anyway, it's off by default now. You can, if you're like me, you can go rejoice, because that was really annoying me for some reason. Hope you found this useful. All right, so there you go. That'll hide that annoying full screen mode there in WordPress. If you found this helpful, be sure that you are subscribed, because we do tutorials all the time relating to Divi and sometimes more WordPress, but you know, obviously they go together there. So be sure you're subscribed and following along, and we'll see you guys in the next video.